Okay, if you want to see what steps you have to follow, then into the readme.md, this text file have all the instruction to do whatever you want to do. That just I'm opening this readme.md using the cat command. So it's showing what instruction I have to follow. The tools, okay, the command line tool to generate word list based on the first and last name of the target user, first and last name of the target user, preview of the terminal to use the shadow cipher. Follow the steps below. Clone the repository I already done, or download the shadow cipher file. Ensure you have Python 3 installed on your machine. So for these things I have to install the Python 3. Open a terminal and command prompt and navigate to the directory where shadowcipher.py is located. Run the following command: python.shadowcipher.py -h-n count -sv file name and first and last name. So replace first and last name with the target's first name and replace last name with the target's last name. Use the optional -n flag followed by the desired count to specify the number of words to generate default 100. So you have to specify the number that the count number of the words which will be generated by this program, means .py file. Okay, Python shadow file, this is the example. Like, see, you can see the Python shadow cipher.py -n 500 John Doe, that is the name, and -sv John Doe underscore wordlist.txt. So you have to give that John Doe underscore wordlist.txt. In that file these passwords will be generated. So once let me try, because I already installed the Python and Python 2, but this, as per this syntax, it's showing that Python 3 needs to be installed in your machine. I haven't installed this Python 3. Let me check once if it is worked using the Python 2. Python, just writing the Python 2, and then what is the file name? Let me check once. Shadow cipher. So Python, write the Python and shadowcipher.py, then copy and paste it. Okay, just give an enter. So it's showing the uses shadowcipher.py. So you have to specify that thing, shadowcipher -h-n. See, shadow cipher, cool look. Okay, so first name, last name -h. Okay, let me copy that syntax, shadow cipher. Okay, from here to here, copy and paste over there. This is the demo name. Once 500 it's showing, I'm just giving this 10. Okay, next, give an enter. Okay, running the script 2.1, generating the word list. Word list is generated 10 words and saved into that txt. Okay, let me check where it is. See, John Doe word list. So let me see what, using the cat method I will see, paste and enter. See, these are the Doe John %123 John. Wow, interesting. It's given some name with some character and the number also. Okay, so that's it. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel to more informative videos to help someone. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.